are getting better, we are going higher. Today points to the future and the next level.
Kick-started now, and we are going to start from the chairman position. On the chairman position from the state, we have received names who are interested in vying for the position of chairman. And we have a name from Lagos State. In person of Mr. Abiodun Ali. Please, can you stand up for recognition, Mr. Abiodun Ali? Please, let's.
Thank you, sir. I will join my candidacy.
You will join your candidacy. Then we have another nominee from Ekiti State, in person of Mr. Muyiwa Adesua. Please, can you stand up for recognition? APC, next level. APC, next level. APC, next level.
Thank you very much. As a caucus, ours is a caucus that have an history dated back from AD days to AC, ACN to APC. Our core leaders have been progressive in nature and they know who are their children. I believe we've created a vacuum in the last 10 years, and if they are not careful, that vacuum will be filled by someone else. Now, for that vacuum not to happen, it is time for us as people to come together, to work together. I remember our national anthem as Yoruba people. So that work is what I want to harness the talent of that 17 people that need to work with me and take Southwest APC to the next level. Now, to do that, we need to mobilize. To do that, there should be unity of purpose. Over time, we try to project an individual agenda. But as we're moving forward now, as a caucus, we need to unify ourselves, bring together a house that can deliver the Southwest Caucus the mandate to lead this party in the future. That's one. Two, for our core leaders back home, they have it at the back of their mind that the Southwest Caucus should be the image of this party at the diaspora level. But we missed that opportunity. But this Southwest Caucus, under my leadership, will correct that and also take us to that next level. And finally, 2023 is a bigger project for Nigeria. And that project will start from this place. And that project will start from the next ESCO that is coming from this caucus today. And I believe, with the support of everyone, we can make it happen. Thank you very much.
You have four already, okay. Sir, his name is Muyiwa Adesua. Yes, if you want, no, if you want. So after your vote, please come and drop it here. We all agree to that? Yes. Yes. Muyiwa, three. Muyiwa, yes. 4. Muyiwa Adesua, yes. 3.
Everything go to the next level. Everything go decline to the next level. Good jobs will come to the next level. Our road will come to the next level. People money come to the next level. Greater money come to the next level. Better money come to the next level. Better money come to the next level.
For ballot paper, and each of the ballot paper has indicated yes for Muyiwa Adesua. So obviously, Muyiwa is duly elected as the next chairman.
We are going higher. Today points to the future and the next level. We are better and moving forward.
Because of space, Muyiwa want to stay here.
Okay. Before we get on this, let me formally and say thank you so much, Mr. But I think that you've done a brilliant job today. You stood here for how many hours? More than 2 hours. I want to thank you. And only you can do that. Thank you so much. And the National Organizing Secretary, thank you so much for being here to observe. I'm sure that we will get a formal report that will be submitted to the FODs. And I want to thank also the National Secretary, Mr. Agba. Now, APC UK Southwest Caucus, I think that you are extremely lucky. Your gain today is the loss of APC UK. Why do I say that? The number of persons here after I've worked with over a long period of time, and I know that you have taken some of our very best for the national. People who have, over these years, through the thick and thin of our struggles, they have remained consistent, they have refused to budge, and they have continued to serve. Today, all that we want to do is to let you know that we are handing you, or we are handing this constitution to you, and we say that you please ensure that you uphold it. That is what our leaders in Nigeria expect. That is what we expect. The guidelines regarding the diaspora chapters, as I mentioned earlier, will all be prepared and they'll be handed over to the secretary who will represent your secretariat. Mr. Chairman, sir, I hand you this constitution as representing the document that binds us together as a party. And I implore you and your team to ensure that you serve our party conscientiously and bring glory to APC UK. God bless your efforts.
Take much of your time. It's going to be a short one. It's been a long time for me because of what we did on this date at this Congress. It will remain a defining moment for Southwest APC UK.
Oh yes.
Let me thank my co-contestant, even if he has to drop out at the dying minute. Lagos, please pass my message to Abiodun Ali. That's the beauty of democracy, that I appreciate him so much. And also, I need to thank my constituency. I'm from Ekiti. I'm a proud Ekiti man. To my people, thank you for presenting me. And to all my leaders here as well. Like I said earlier on, the journey started before now. And you guys have been directing the affair of the Southwest Caucus. It's been a difficult one, but we are here where we are today, and we're moving to the next level. Tonight, history is still being shaped, and the verdict is yet to be rendered. We must not think the election of today put an end to all the challenges ahead. We must all work hard to deliver a great caucus. We used to be the pride of APC UK, and we are about losing that if we don't work hard. Like the former president of America said, a vote is like a rifle. Its usefulness depends upon the character of the user. We must make use of this mandate and build up this caucus. To the member of Advisory Council, we shall count on you for support. We will need your advice at a difficult time, and we will need your word of encouragement. To the national leaders, President Dr. Daiwo, thank you very much, sir. It's good to have you here, sir. Mr. Iwan, sir. And my able brother, the organizer. Thank you very much, sir. This present ESCO will work with APC UK because back home, the present ESCO, in which I'm still part of that national ESCO as well, is the one recognized back home as the national ESCO. So what we need to work with them and move the APC UK to the next level. Whatever differences we have in the APC UK diaspora chapter, we need to resolve it as quickly as possible so that whatever vacuum that exists now, we can put a stop to it. I believe the other 17 that were elected today will have a lot of work to do. And The first one we need to do is to mobilize our people. I remember at our last Congress, when we are asking about going to APC, our number was almost 200 on that day of that Congress. And as of today, I'm not sure we have up to that number. So it's time for us to work hard as member of APC Southwest UK to encourage our people that we are now in a new dispensation and we're moving to the next level. Also, we need to make APC UK visible to the world. We need to have greater interaction with our leaders back home. Like one of our leaders will tell you those days, said, you cannot sit here in London and just be saying, oh, you are in politics. There should be level of interaction, and I can assure you, this new ESCO, from day one, we're going to start that interaction with them. They know us, but we want to do more of that, so that the benefit of being a politician can also come to us in the United Kingdom. Also, the unity of our caucus is very important. Where we're coming from, we might have a bit of issues here and there. I believe our advisory council will be of help to us, to help us to resolve some of these problems. Anyone that we at the ESCO cannot handle, we will make use of them, their experience, to help us resolve it. As the Yoruba Ante will tell you, iṣẹ́ pọ̀ fún ilẹ̀ wa o, fún ilẹ̀ ìbí wa, ká gbéga fún aráyé rí. Ó ní ọmọ Oòduà tó wà ní wa, ó ní àwa ní àkọ́kọ́ dá nínú ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀. So for that reason, we are number one. And that number one position is what we should do. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for coming. It will be a new dawn and a new day for a greater APC Southwest. Oluwamuyiwa Mayowa Adesua from Ekiti State, based in United Kingdom. I'm the newly elected chairman, APC UK Southwest chapter. For the incoming ESCO, the agenda will be, one, to mobilize our people to be part of the journey to the next level. And let me break that down in a small terms. When we are in ACN, and AC to ACN, we have numbers. And it appears our people are disillusioned about what is going on at the moment. But it's time for us as the new ESCO to encourage them, one, to register as a member of the party, to encourage them to attend meetings, and to have greater interaction with our party leaders back home. Now, secondly, on the issue of what this new ESCO will be doing, we'll also ensure that we have a unity of purpose going into the next National Congress of the party in the United Kingdom. Thirdly, we'll also ensure that every of our members are also registered back home, either to their ward level, party level, and a serious synergy between the party back home and the people here. Finally, as part of the agenda also, is to make sure we have a greater interaction with our members here. Social interaction, political campaigns. Also, we're going to put in a lot of conferences on issues of security, on issues of agriculture. We'll have interactions with other party members all over United Kingdom. So for now, this is our agenda moving us to the next level. Thank you very much, sir.
We are getting better, we are going higher. Today points to the future and the next level. We are better.